Alright guys, how's it going? Going to do a quick little episode. I'm working on an 03 Duramax LB7. I'm doing the fuel injectors on it. And I just want to show you a few things I ran into and some of the solutions I used to solve those problems. So I already have the injectors out and everything all tore down. I'm pulling out cups. See if I can get the lighting here for you. I got that cup out. And then I still got to get that cup. I had like 4 of them stick in while I was doing it. My main thing is though, I had issues getting upper and lower valve cover bolts are hex head, Allen head, and they really like to strip out. And of course the ones that I had the most trouble with are, I had a lot of trouble with that one back there. It was stripped out and I couldn't get my regular good Allen key on there to get it off. So what I had to do once it stripped out was use these strip nut little doodads here. I got these probably 15 years ago from Craftsman. And then I just used a socket and a ratchet to get it. I could reach it. I could get it with taking the wheel well out pretty easily. On this one, all the tubes came out except the very last one, so I got to pull that one out right there. And then on this side, the very back tube, right back there, I couldn't get one. I couldn't even get a regular ratchet on there. So I went to Lowe's, if I can find it here. I went to Lowe's and bought one of these little bit ratchet things, and then I had to buy that as well that had the right 5mm hex in there. And I was able to get between the firewall and the head and remove that. And the other one, I had to take my welder here and actually weld a nut on it. I could go over the top right over here with the welder and weld the nut on there, and then I got it pretty easily. The heat definitely helped it. New fuel injectors over here. And over here. So my main point of this video is going to be get the right tools to do the job. Here's an injector puller. What it does is you kind of want to do too much here with the new injector, but you put this over the put this over the injector on the head like this. This piece right here threads onto there, and then you can put your bridge on there, and you tighten that down, and it pulls the injector out super easy. It worked really good. And I've also saw some YouTube videos on using a concrete anchor, wedge anchor, to pull out the cups, but I just went ahead and ordered the tool. So the cup would be down in your head like this. You slide this tool down on it. You tighten this nut here until it's nice and snug, and then you put your sleeve over it, and that'll lock down on against the head, and then you can put your washer, your nut, tighten down, pulls it out super easy. I'd show you, but it's pretty self-explanatory, and I don't want to get this video too long. I probably have about $230 into these parts. I think this was $130. This was $99. I went with the OTC brands. They work well. So hopefully the audio is pretty good on this. I had to pull out my camera. My phone is full. I got to clean out some of the older videos I have on there and make some room for new stuff. The phone actually works better than my camera. If you're around for my other videos, Mustang's sitting right here. I haven't touched it much in a while. I rebuilt the distributor. You may have seen that video already or not, I don't know. And then the C10 is buried under right next to it. Haven't really touched that either. I've been so busy working on other people's stuff. But I just wanted to show you on the Duramax, you're spending $3,000–$4,000 on injectors. Spend an extra couple $100. Get the right tools. It makes a world of difference. You're not going to damage anything, and it'll save you a lot of time. The hardest part, honestly, is getting those valve covers off, and just patience. Some PB blaster or something on there beforehand might help, but I am going to go through and replace all those hex heads with, or Allen heads with regular bolts. I believe they're 630 for the lower, 6 by 30 millimeter for the lower bolts, and 6 by 20 for the upper. And I'm just going to do that and get it over with. So, hope this helped you, and hope to have some more videos here soon.